We have diverged off the road from the camp, only to find another section of it. On my way, I have spotted a bandana. Perhaps it belonged to a mighty warrior, for its color is red. Here is the skin of some kind of plastic animal. Perhaps it was used to house our tribe. In some sort of trunk. Improv too is very hard. That's a sign of intelligence and wit, I guess. Perhaps this was a bassinet for their young, for their children. A canteen. And here we have another piece of fabric. Perhaps it was some sort of prayer mat to be used in one of their horrible rituals. That's bad. I'm a little too judgmental there. And another article of clothing could be found. It was the skin of a mighty beast to keep our tribe warm in the harshest of winters. I think this is where those kids were partying. What was it? 4th of July, when I heard stories about, like, oh, so-and-so and so-and-so are still passed out in the woods, and apparently there was a drunken teenager brawl. It's a good thing they're, like, close to the 18, because otherwise it would be like, that's hilarious. Young teens in the woods. Effing. Fighting and, they're underage fornication. What the hell? Does he live here? It's probably, I don't know what that is. It seems to have stopped with my voice. Is there anything over here? Probably not. Oh my fun is over.